True or false? The absolute value of 6 minus 3x is equal to 3 times the absolute value of 2 plus x. So we need to use our properties of absolute value to try and rewrite one side as the other. So let's try and factor out something from the first absolute value to make it look like the second. So we can definitely factor out a 3. So we can write this as the absolute value of 3 times 2 minus x. And see if that's equal to 3 times the absolute value of 2 plus x. So we can use our product rule here where it would split to the absolute value of 3 and the absolute value of 2 minus x. It's nicer, 2 plus x. So then we have the absolute value of 3 is 3. So now we have the 3 on the outside, but it's really the question, is 2 minus x the same thing as 2 plus x? Even if I try to change the sign of the x, I'm going to have to factor out a negative 1. So then it'll be negative 2 plus x. But now I have the sign of the x the same, but now I have a negative 2. So then I would factor out or split up the absolute value of negative 1. And even if I multiply 3 by 1, now I have negative 2 plus x equals 3 times 2 plus x. So before, here, I had the sign of 2 correct, but I didn't have the sign of negative x with positive x. We're opposites, not equal. And here now I have the sign for x, but now I have negative 2 and 2. So either way, it's both false. Our answer is going to be B, false.